Hey there, are you struggling to generate leads and boost sales for your physical product business? Well, you are in luck today because I will share with you 7 proven strategies that will help you generate and nurture leads, ultimately skyrocketing your sales. So let's dive right in. Strategy 1, identify your target audience. First things first, you need to identify your target audience. Knowing who you're selling to will help you create more targeted marketing campaigns that speaks directly to their needs and interests. This is very important because when you do not speak your customer's language, it will be very difficult for them to resonate with what you're saying. Immediately they are able to pick the message that is uppermost in their mind from what you're saying, the connection happens. And without this connection happening, you will not be able to reach that place where they will be able to make purchasing decisions. So some action steps that you can take around this will be for you to create detailed buyer personas based on your ideal customer. Research their pain points, their preferences, and their purchasing behaviors. Also, tailor your messaging to appeal to your target audience. Strategy 2, leverage social media platforms. Social media platforms are a gold mine for generating leads for your physical products. Engaging with your audience and sharing valuable content can drive interest in your products and ultimately boost sales. Nowadays, everybody is on social media. So even if you have a very big presence offline, you have offices or shops, it is also very important for your business to be digitally transformed, meaning that you have to get on social media platforms and start displaying and presenting your products for the right target audience to engage with your products. Some action steps around this will be for you to ensure that you choose the right platform that resonates with your target audience. Depending on the demographics, like the age, the gender, and things like that your audience fall into, you would know the kind of social media that you need to put more priority on. For example, customer engagement on Facebook is different from that of Instagram, and it is different from what you will get on LinkedIn. So it is important for you to study all these social media platforms and decide which one your target audience engages with the most. Share engaging content like product demos, tutorials, and customer testimonials. Use social media ads to target potential leads and retarget your past visitors. Strategy 3, use a lead generation funnel with irresistible incentives. Everybody loves a great deal. Offering incentives like discounts, giveaways, and limited time offers through a lead generation funnel will help you turn your prospect into a lead and encourage the lead to take action and purchase your products. Some action steps you can take around this will be for you to first identify the best incentive for your target audience. So you want to think about what their major pain point is, and then think about how you can give them a quick win for those pain points. Then create a simple lead generation funnel and automate a nurturing system behind it. In a previous video, I spoke about how you can create a proper lead generation funnel. Find the video listed on the screen right now. The next thing you need to do is promote your funnel through social media and your website. Now, this can be through organic means or through paid media. When you're promoting your products on social media, you can use organic traffic when people just organically engage with your post and then you direct them with your call to action. But at the same time, you can also use paid ads to drive traffic. Paid ads would actually give you more traffic than organic will do. A combination of the two is very powerful. The next thing is for you to track the performance of your incentives and optimize for better results. Data is life. Do not joke with your data. So ensure that you're looking at all the metrics, all the efforts that you're putting into promoting these things. You have to be able to see the data behind it, because this will help you to know where to put more effort. This will help you to know the action that you have to prioritize. Strategy 4, collaborate with influencers. Influencer marketing is a powerful way to generate leads and boost sales for your physical products. The influencers' trust and goodwill with their audience immediately transfers to you. By partnering with influencers who have an engaging following, irrespective of the number of followers, you can tap into their audience and showcase your product to a broader market and get amazing results. There is a perfect platform that has just been launched that has made influencer marketing so accessible to all business owners, irrespective of their marketing budgets. Influenceit.com. That is the name of the platform. Some action steps around this will be for you to visit influenceit.com right now. Well, after you finish watching this video, and identify influencers who align with your brand and target audience. Reach out to them with a collaboration request, agree on campaign details, execute, and start seeing amazing results in no time. Strategy 5, utilize email marketing. Email marketing remains one of the most effective channels for nurturing leads and driving sales. By building a robust email list and sending targeted campaigns, you can stay top of mind with your leads and encourage repeat purchases. There is no such thing as people don't buy from emails, or people don't read emails, or a particular tribe or a particular people from a particular country do not read emails. Please, there is nothing like that, because there is no fact to support that. I personally, in my agency, we have sold 7-figure deals through emails, both for us and for our clients. That is a fact that I have about email marketing. So email marketing works wonders. Some action steps around this will be for you to offer incentives to encourage people to join your email list. Create segmented email campaigns based on subscribers' interests and purchasing behaviors. Test and optimize your email campaigns to improve the performance. Strategy 6, attend trade shows and events. For product-based businesses, trade shows and events are excellent opportunities to showcase your products, generate leads, and connect with industry professionals. Some action steps around this will be for you to research first and find out which trade shows are relevant for you to attend. Also, design an eye-catching booth or display to attract visitors. You want to ensure that when people come into the event center, you are easy to see. Also, ensure that you collect the contact information from the leads and follow up with them after the event. Strategy 7, Provide exceptional customer service. Last but not the least on my list, providing exceptional customer service is crucial for nurturing leads and driving sales. Happy customers are more likely to become repeat buyers and refer your business to others. So, train your team on best practices for customer service and communication. Implement customer service tools like live chats, chatbots, and social media monitoring. Encourage customer feedback and use it to improve your products and services. All this can be put on automation, either in your social media DMs or on your websites. If you would like to discuss this more on how you can implement these strategies, please go to our website www.wcdigitalagency.com and book a session with one of my team members who would be happy to take this conversation further with you. So, there you have it. These 7 proven strategies will help you generate and nurture leads, ultimately boosting your sales for your physical product business. Remember, the key is to be consistent and persistent in your efforts. Now, it's time for you to put the strategies into action and watch your business thrive. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more valuable tips and insights. And if you have any questions or additional strategies to share, I'm open to it. Please drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.